And here it's kind of blurry. I had a bullshit cheap ass camera, but it shows all the drives with the size, how much is in use, how much free space, how many write reads, whatever, what shares on it's the IDs, the temperature reads, and all that stuff. So this is unminging inside of Unraid. This is the traditional Unraid screen right here. So you can see that I don't have the parity in there because I'm copying large amounts of data. So the actual parity slows it down, but that's what's going to keep you intact if you lose a drive. So it's not a good idea for me to have it running this way, but because I'm doing so much copying, so many terrors, I got to keep it down so I can keep the copy up. So I've written articles on that, on how to fix that shit. So if you check out my website, PCBistro.com, and you'll see what I'm talking about. But it's got a cache drive in it too. And you got devices, list of devices. All those can be drives that are all saying unassigned right now. The ones that's here, it's got drives in them. So you got my cache drive down there. That actually you copy files into it, and it temporarily holds those files, and then at a scheduled moment, it'll right here is the schedule for the move files, and then it move those files into the array to be protected. But it actually gives you the ability to copy the files into the array right away, and they will get simulated as if they're part of the array through links for the folders and stuff. So whatever folders you got copied in the array, they will show up in the exact location you put them at. So, which is nice. So here's my temperature readings. As you can see, it's a little high for some of those drives. But that's one of the reasons too, because I got all new shit in here that I actually thought I was gonna lower the temperature in here. Nah, it didn't help. So I still got the fucking big ass air conditioner that we gonna hit right now, because it's hot than the summer of a bitch. Alright, got that on. But anyhow, all my movies are shared in here. Show you what I got. Let's see, I don't know if you can see these names, but this is running at 1920 by 1200, so it's probably a little big. Actually, let's see if we can change the resolution real quick. Got 1024. Alright, let's see. Anyhow, we got the movies in here for all the shares it creates. It creates the individual drive shares. Like I said, each drive can be accessible individually, which makes it no big deal to get to. You have the regular user shares, like for my movies and shit. You got DVD collection. It says a lot of fucking DVDs in here. Bring up bigger icons. So it's taking a little while. Like I said, some of those drives are spun down, some of the drives are spent up, and the fact that it's got to go in there and queue all that stuff up to display it, so it's taking a minute. But they show up in here pretty nice, whatnot. But like I said, my movies will display the shit back in Windows Media Center or Xbox Media Center too. So I'm gonna show you that real quick. So showing up in there, it has a little tab, a little strip they call it. My movies, click on that, and all the movies show up. Even what I got in the drives that's about to be ripped, they showing up. The movies that are already ripped, you can see it says 102 right now. Those are the last. I got it set to show me the last 100 that I did, so it shows all those. So if I say the alt, sort all titles. See, this gonna suck a little too. You got too many movies in one folder, so it's trying to bring up all that shit at once. So it says that number's at 799. You know, so I still got probably another 50 movies to go or whatever. This thing is frozen. Good old Vista at work. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Alright, let's do like Alien 3. So you click on that and it shows you front and back cover. Like that. Show you what sound formats are in there. What year, how long it is, what's my actual star rating on that. Shows you the Hypnosis, what it's about, you know. Get that. Scroll down. You know. It's nice shit. Then if you got cast and crew, it shows you all that shit too, with their pictures and shit, their name, what part they played, you know. Let's get old girl. So show you her bio, you know, and then it'll show you what other movies I got in the catalog that she actually played in. See, I didn't even know that shit. She played in Wall-E, so that's good looking too. So that's what makes that nice, you know. So you can really drill it down. If you like certain actors more, you want to watch the stream of that particular actor, you can keep watching movies that you got collected with that actor, you know. So now that's Media Center. Alright, now we're gonna bring up Xbox Media Center. Or that was Windows Media Center, and now we're bringing up Xbox Media Center. So Xbox Media Center actually makes it look better. I just wish I can get all the kinks worked out of it. So we get it to look right. I like this shit here. That's nice. So that's showing up pretty good, you know. Try to get the best artwork covers I can get, because that look like bullshit right there. So, you know, try to get the real deal. So, you got that. It scrolls all the way through. Oh, yeah. What else we got? What else we got? I think that is all. I think I covered everything. Let you know, how motherfuckers doing. Shit, you know. Because I know motherfuckers be bitching about what the fuck I had before, about all of the old ass servers and whatnot, you know. And then you got all the environmentalists talking shit, you know. Oh, you know, you bringing down the fucking world with, you know, with all your fucking electricity use and shit. Well, this is what I do, and this is what I do best. So, to all y'all, fuck y'all in the meantime. But for anybody else, you know, if y'all like the shit, rate it, you know, whatever. Cool, good looking after, you know. I like doing this shit, so I bring you some more, you know. Holla.